Welcome to Hub of Kids PS. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel.
In a small, peaceful pinned village, surrounded by golden wheat fields, there lived a tiny mouse named Bonnie. Bonnie was not like the other mice. While they spent their days collecting grains, Bonnie loved to sit near the village kitchen and watch the cooks prepare delicious food. The smells of fresh roti and sweet kheer filled his heart with excitement. "Oi Bonnie, why do you waste time watching humans cook?" the other mice teased. But Bonnie only smiled. Deep inside, he had a dream. He wanted to become the best chef the village had ever seen. Every night, when the kitchen was quiet, Bonnie practiced. He carefully mixed tiny crumbs, herbs, and spices. Sometimes he failed and spilled everything. Other times, the taste was strange. But Bonnie never gave up. He whispered to himself, "Main kar sak dahan, I can do this." One day, a big cooking competition was announced in the village. Chefs from nearby towns came to show their skills. The kitchen was full of noise and excitement. Bonnie saw this as his chance. With courage in his small heart, he secretly prepared his special dish using leftover ingredients. When the judges tasted it, they were surprised. The flavor was unique, simple yet magical. They searched everywhere to find the chef. Finally, they spotted little Bonnie standing proudly on the table. The crowd went silent. Then the head judge smiled warmly. "Great talent can come in the smallest package," he said. The villagers cheered, shouting, "Shabash!" Bonnie's dream had come true. From that day on, he was welcomed in the kitchen, not as a thief, but as a respected little chef. Bonnie looked at the bright sky that night and felt grateful. He remembered all the times he had failed and all the moments he kept believing in himself. His journey taught everyone in the pinned an important lesson. If you trust your abilities, work hard, and never lose hope, even the smallest dream can become something bohat bada, something truly great. And so, the tiny mouse Bonnie lived happily, cooking with love and inspiring others to follow their dreams. If you like the story, kindly like my channel Hubofkids PS. Stay connected.